Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a JavaScript regular expression tutorial on freeCodeCamp, extract matches. So we're going to learn about this method, match. And what it does is that we apply it to a string and pass in a regex inside of it. And then it's going to return the match it sees. So for example, we have the string hello world, and then we do dot match. And here we have the regex hello, and it'll return hello. And in the second one, we have a variable with just a string, another variable with the regex, and now we do the string r star dot match our regex, which is the regular expression, and we get this matches here expressions. And this is the opposite of how the test was, because the test you put the string dot match and then the regex. This is what we do now, string dot match with the regex, and before we had the regex dot test and pass through the string. So for this example, it wants us to apply the dot match method to extract the string coding. Great, so we have a variable here, which is the string, and it wants us to extract the word coding from it. So we can copy that and then paste it in here. And now we do dot match, and we pass in this variable. And that's it for this one. Thank you so much.